This is me about to launch my DIY rocket paper plane, which proved to be tough. But before any of that, let me show you how I made it.
What if it explodes?
Building time!
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
First up was a normal paper plane, and throwing it gave me expected results.
1, go.
But I had high hopes for the rocket paper plane, that it would move at like Mach 1. Launching the plane, I tried over and over and over and over and over and over again until something clicked. And as I lit the fuse, I started to panic. I threw the plane, the fuse fell out,
Oh my!
which meant the rocket didn't activate, and all my resources
days, bro. Where's the fuse?
wasted.
I don't even see the fuse.
So nothing. What if it explodes?
Sad and disappointed, I picked the plane up and called it a day. But I hope you can learn from my failures and may use this as a learning experience for you. This entire vid would not be possible if it wasn't for my friend Fortune X as my cameraman. Please make sure to check him out. See you in the next one. Subscribe!